You should mount the dual ISOMod and safeguard ISOMod in a place with easy access to the ISOBus main communication line. Connect the Thrive 3D ISOMod harness to the tap cable and connect the tap cable to the planter ISOBus mainline connection, which allows you to transmit information from the ISOMod through the bus to the terminal in the tractor cab. Connect the Safeguard ISOMod harness to the tap cable and connect the tap cable to the planter ISOBus mainline connection. The Safeguard ISOMod will monitor foam quality and row blockages. Run the power cable from the ISOMod power connector to the hitch. The power cable runs from the hitch down the outside of the planter beam and across the bar to the dual ISOMod. Connect this power cable to the connector that was previously attached to the battery. Install the power module between the power cable and the power connection on the dual ISOMod harness. Connect the 3-pin MetroPack connector on the power module to the connection labeled Speed on the dual ISOMod harness. Connect the dual ISOMod harness to the pump pack connections. Channel 1 for liquid solution has its own connection, as does Channel 2 for the product. The air compressors have their own power connections. Connections are labeled and are gender-specific. Run the pressure sensor branch to the air regulator. Connect the rectangle 16-pin connector on the section branch splitter harness to the rectangle connector on the dual ISOMod harness. Route the section branch splitter harness to the corresponding row ball valve splitter cable. Run extensions as needed to connect the whisker switch to the run-hold connection on the dual ISOMod harness. The Safeguard ISOMod shares the run-hold status with the dual ISOMod via the terminal in the cab. The Safeguard sensors communicate to the Safeguard ISOMod through a daisy chain connection. You can connect the Safeguard sensors to the Safeguard ISOMod from left to right. There are 2 networks on the Safeguard, which allows to monitor a second product if needed. If your cable does not reach to the sensor, you can use the extension cables included. Note that all sensors are daisy-chained and section manifolds are connected via extensions. The last and first row includes a termination plug that comes installed on the Safeguard ISOMod.